Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. I really haven't covered Quant for a while, and I really want to talk about where we are on this chart, because I think Quant is at a great price at the moment, and that's just my view, no financial advice. But I think Quant, together with some other cryptos like Cardano and VeChain, for example, and XRP, they are just at a great price. That's just my view. We're currently coming here down to the 0.618 FIB level, found support here. Are we going to find support here going forward? I'm not sure, because we're really hammering down here. You can see the downward trend is actually increasing, a really strong sell-off. And to be honest, Quant is doing a very similar thing as Cardano did. It pretty much has been following the same pattern as Cardano. It really did, and that's why a lot of people are frustrated with Quant as well. I talked about Quant when we were at around $65. I've been holding since. I've been adding to my portfolio throughout, not really up here, but throughout this period. And yeah, it is dropping at the moment, currently finding support here at the key level. It can drop further, yeah, it can do, because it is really hammering down. And however, if we look at the general FIB levels, you can see here that we came all the way up to $427, found now support at the most important, most relevant FIB level at the 0.618 FIB level, also psychological mark $200. Now, if we lose the $200 level, first of all, this is also obviously a key resistance level, key support level, key resistance here, back here, psychological level. If we lose that, I think there are a few levels that will come then. First of all, we've got this level here at $178. We'll find some support here, most certainly. It's that low, it's that high. Below that, we've got another key support level where we had support before at $150. Now below that, we've got the 0.786 FIB level at $136, and below that, I don't really want to talk about that, but that's pretty much the $100 level. It's also the 0.887 FIB level. Honestly, probably achievable in a bear market, honestly, but yeah, I don't see that very realistic, and that's only my view. $100 for Quant, honestly, could be, but highly unlikely. I think possibly not going to find support really here. We do at the moment, but I think we're just hammering down here. I mean, it's such a strong downtrend, and we haven't really seen a strong reaction. I mean, there was a bit of a reaction here, but I think we'll come down further. I'm very honest with you. We're just coming down here. I think we are coming down at least to the next level here, and have to see how the reaction is then. But I can't see any strong reaction here. You can see even the RSI here on the daily is just coming down. I think we are possibly going to hit the oversold level here. So there's a bit of scope to the downside. Also on the MACD on the daily, you can't see any sign of slowing down, unfortunately. Yeah, it's just coming down. I mean, here on the 4-hour chart, yeah, you see a little bit of a sign of, because we came to the support level, you see a little bit here of a bullish divergence coming up, but nothing significant really. Yeah, you made a lower low there on the price and a higher low on the RSI, but really only that last bit here. But yeah, it is something to be aware of, that we've got some a strong downtrend here, and that we could really come down a little bit further. Now, if we really find support here, we've got the next key resistance. I think there will be resistance up here at that previous high here, significant high at $215. But then I think that will be a small resistance level. But then again, on our way up, it's that 0.5 FIB level that we have to go up to, and that is at $242. We have to cross that, and you can really see that throughout this whole period here where we were tracing, we were finding support between the 240 level and resistance. Well, we were really moving between the $240 and $350 level, so quite volatile here, these two FIB levels, and with the 0.382 FIB level here in between. Overall, I think a really good price for Quant. Could be we drop a little bit further here, but Quant is, from a fundamental point of view, for me a great project anyway. Working together on the British digital pound, in the British digital, no, what's the name? They on this digital pound foundation together with Ripple as well. And yeah, the time will come. I think we're just in a strong retracement because we were again so much overbought. I think this has now been sorted. We are on the daily in the bearish range, and on the weekly we are currently coming down here. You can see that finding support here possibly on the 50 line, but it's too early to say. If we bounce off there on the weekly, that will definitely be a bullish sign. At the moment though, we can't see it yet. It's too early to say. You know, if we find support here, I think this is why we're currently here at the $200 level, also finding strong support, the 0.618 fib level, the 50 line, no sorry, it's the 55 line on the RSI. I'll take that out. I think that was relevant on the daily once before, but there is a bit more scope here to the 50 line on the RSI, and that again is the divide between the bullish and the bearish range. Allows a little bit further drop, but hopefully on the weekly we're gonna find here support that would then be a reversal point, possibly. It's just things here to be aware of. Overall, Quant, yeah, suffered quite a bit and of a long retracement here. Surprising to me, yeah, I think we dropped more than I expected here and came really down further than I expected. Again, a key tipping point here together with what Bitcoin is doing now. I think if we lose that level, you can see it. I mean, that's significant, even on the weekly here. This is an important level on the weekly as well, that 0.618 level. If we lose that, as I said, we come down to the next support, but then even possibly coming down to the next fib level at 136 US dollars, after which I would expect a further move to the upside then. That's what I expect at the moment, because at the moment here on the $200 level, we can't really find strong support. Don't really see that downtrend slowing down at all, and we're already just breaking as we speak that $200 level. But these are prices, I tell you that, where I would buy and add to my portfolio. I'm possibly not doing it because there are so many other great projects out there, and I'm already invested in Quant, and there are just so many other great projects that I just want to tap into now. But it's always important to be careful not to go into too many projects so it remains manageable. Hope you liked that update video about Quant. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.